So, ganda ng panahon guys, oh. Yee! Hindi rin malamig. Sakto lang. Sakto lang, love. Right, love? Sakto lang. So, malapit lang sa amin ng Chick-fil-A. Parang 5 minutes lang. Thankfully, nakilala ko sa Chick-fil-A. Mas healthy yung version ng sandwich or burger ng Chick-fil-A. Compare sa McDonald's. Kasi tumigil ako kumain ng burger dito. Sa Pilipinas, paborito ko ang cheeseburger. Pero nung natikman ko yung cheeseburger dito ng McDonald's. Cheeseburger ng McDonald's ang paborito ko talaga sa Pilipinas. Pero nung natikman ko dito sa US yung cheeseburger nila, McDonald's, hindi ko gusto. Hindi pa ako natutunawan. Parang sobrang dry. Basta hindi siya natutunaw. Unlike dito sa Chick-fil-A, ano siya, parang freshly what do you call that, love? Freshly made yung meat nila. Unlike sa ibang kahit yung ibang burger restaurant na pinupuntahan namin, hindi ko rin gusto. Kahit yung ano nga ba yung love? What is that burger or fast food that they're In-N-Out, I think, yeah. The In-N-Out burger is so good. But, masarap pa rin yung Chick-fil-A. For me, love. You like In-N-Out or Chick-fil-A, asawa? Oh, you haven't tried the Chick-fil-A. You tried it.
I don't know. I think In-N-Out burger, I like it better.
Talaga? Ako hindi. Parang ramdam ko yung bread kasi ng Chick-fil-A, mas malambot siya. Kaya like it. So, nandito na tayo guys. Guys, meron silang mist ba yan, love? What do you call that, love? Mist? Mist. Yung pag mainit ang panahon, meron silang parang pinabasan ko ba? Mist yan sa kanto. Tapos pag summer naman, meron sila, pag winter naman dito, meron naman silang heater sa labas.
Forever starts tonight.
Tagal naman. Ang tagal. Oh, look at that guys, oh. Anong tawag yan? Mist. Mist fan.
Good, buddy.
Maganda to sa Pilipinas. Maganda to sa Pilipinas. Ate, tingnan mo to, te. Makikita ko sa'yo. Ayan o. Ayan o, te.
Chicken.
Kita mo?
Chicken grill nuggets.
Nagbubuga siya ng tubig.
Sitting by the window, city lights below.
No, actually.
Laughing at the little things only we both know.
Ng mist. Ganda,
Coffee
no?
getting cold, but I don't really care.
Dapat may ganyan sa
I
Pilipinas.
guess the crispy one.
As long as I'm right here and you're right
That
there.
one. That one. Hey,
No rush, no plans, no need to
make
pretend.
2 orders of that identical. Just 2 orders.
Every moment feels better when I'm with my best friend. It's
Oh,
just
no,
us
not the nuggets.
tonight.
I'm sorry. I am.
No worries
The
inside.
fried toast and the nuggets are duplicate.
Holding your hand under neon lights.
And her
Simple
hibiscus,
days, simple dreams.
and
You're my
those
favorite place to be. Yeah, just us tonight.
small.
You and
Dati
me.
guys, ano to? Christian company to. Napakababayad naman na staff nila.
Old songs playing on your radio. Windows down, letting memories flow. Talking about forever, talking about now. Making promises we don't need to write down.
Ay, salamat.
Every smile, every tear.
You vlog me.
Like
360, hello.
360. Okay. Here she comes. There she goes.
Hi! Welcome home! Hello! Ito na nga guys. O yan, naglambing ako kay Papa P. Chick-fil-A. Gutom ako. Kaya tamad na ako magluto. Sabi ko, mag-ano ako, ayoko na magluto kaya gutom na ako. Hinihintay niya ako. Wait,
There you go.
let's go. Kasi, umorder kami guys.
Do you have my wallet?
Yes, it's there na. Umorder kami ng white fries. Kaya lang, ang problema guys. Hindi kami binigyan ng fries. Nabubuluhan yung umorder. Kaya yung nag-take order. Hindi niya naintindihan si Papa P. Maria, I'm not Maria, Mama. So, kukuha tayo ng luluto tayo ng fries. Fries at saka nuggets for Mama.
Okay.
So, luto tayo ng fries, guys. Sarap, diba? Uy, wait a minute!
Oh yeah.
Ano ka ba?
Let me give it to Golo. Let me give this. Golo, please.
I'm not Maria, Mama. I'm Diwata.
María se fue. Se fue.
What's it for, my love?
He left. María left.
Naluto tayo ng fries, guys. Wala. Yan.
It's a simple night under soft moonlight.
14 minutes para sa fries. Kasi yung nung umorder kami guys, hindi kami binigyan ng fries. Hindi niya naintindihan yung order ni Pedro. 15 minutes na?
14.
Yeah, 14. Ito yung order namin. So, order namin is Chick-fil-A na nuggets. Actually, gusto niya grilled. Ang cute ng nuggets nila. So small. Pero 8 pieces to. Ayan, guys. Masarap yung lasa. Tinry ko siya. Then, dapat may fries yung order namin. Hindi kami naintindihan. May mayonnaise. Ay, may rice. Tapos ito ulit yung jalapeno club. Oh my goodness, so pangit! Wala. Sobrang busy sila. So, hintayin natin yung fries. Nagluto ako ng fries. Kasi nga, yung fries na order ni Pedro ay hindi naman nila nilagay. So, again, yung drinks natin ito, guys. Pauwi na kami. So, dahil nga nakalimutan nung order taker yung order ni Pedro na fries. And nag-ends na and ends up na nagawa ko ng sarili kong fries. So, yung ketchup nila ang cute. Look at this, guys. Nakauwi na kami, guys. Kumakain na si Pedro. Ganon din si Mama. Si Gordo. So, ang kay Pedro tsaka kay Gordo, tsaka kay Mama, nuggets and fries. Ako ay burger. Sandwich. Burger sandwich. I don't know. Mm.
Reported in the shop. Here's what we have. What that did is it created a password within this shop that basically makes it so it's 25% gold and the rest 75% basement.
Ito yung jalapeno nila. Medyo ano lang siya. Yupe.
So it's that process. It makes it
Meron medyo hindi siya fresh ngayon. It's not fresh today, love. Love. It's not fresh today. Pero it's okay.
nitric acid. And you see every time I do that,
Mm.
when I feel
Still, masarap pa rin.
I pour it out to the side, start over. More distilled water, more nitric acid, more
Drinks natin, guys. Pink lemonade. Medyo, siguro naka-pre-cook na to. Hindi siya ganun ka-fresh. Yeah. Pero still, masarap pa rin siya. Price namin masarap. Great value lang to. Pero, masarap yung lasa niya. Tapos sa air fryer lang yung luto. You like my drinks? You like my drinks? Soda. You still have one? Hapunan namin to, guys. 5:36 today. Ngayon. So, kain na ako, guys, ha? Kain lang ako. So, others, hindi lang tayo ang binibless ng Panginoon. Pag binibless tayo, mag-bless din tayo sa iba. God bless everybody. Enjoy ko yung pagkain ko with my love-love. Tatabi ako na kasi movie kami. Batman. God bless.